Kалкан, well, runners up again for the second time this week. Kалкан of Kyrgyzstan. They'll pick up another $3,000 check for second place. A great run for them, penalty free, fault free, 251.14. So even though they were not as fast as Sada, because they went round without fault, they came in second. And I think it's worth giving an honourable mention as well to the Royal Thai Police team, who went round in 250 but picked up 30 seconds of penalties, unfortunately. And I don't think we've seen anyone do the Texas Star as quick as the Royal Thai Police A team. But that was a fabulous time, unfortunately for them. A missed target. And that's why I was talking earlier on about clipping a target and not dropping it.